you. With a Gingiva, baby, we've got soul, keeping your smile under full control.
We're the gums, the Gingiva Groove, holding them teeth like we got something to prove. We hug that enamel from left to right, cushioning your bite both day and night. We're attached and we're free, pink coral colored naturally, tight like a turtleneck, smooth like jazz. Healthy gums make your dentist spaz. This is part of Dr. Jany, Jany lectures. Slide with the Gingiva Groove, brush in circles, keep it smooth. Floss between, yeah, that's the way to keep recession and plaque away. Snap to the rhythm, sway side to side. Show your gums that you got pride. Dance with us in the mirror today, 'cause the Gingiva Groove is here to stay. But if you skip us, we start to fight. Inflammation burns and the red's in sight. Bleeding when you brush, that ain't cool. You better treat your gums like dental jewels. Gingivitis sneaks in slow, then periodontitis steals the show. Bone loss creeping, teeth get loose. Now you're paying for that floss abuse. So don't just brush the crown alone, hit the sulcus like you own the zone. Massage the margin, make us strong. Your Gingiva been grooving all along. This is part of Dr. Jany, Jany lectures. Gingiva Groove, baby, let's go. Brushing that border high and low. Love your gums, floss with flair. A healthy smile needs love and care. Gingiva Groove, feel the beat, keeping your teeth strong, fresh and neat. No cavities, no pain, no blues, just pink perfection in your mouth. These shoes. This is part of Dr. Jany, educating no lectures. Ooh, we the gums, holding it down while you chew and smile. Respect your roots and floss in style. Gingiva out, tablet and snap.